Introducing the 2026 Cupra Terramar VZ Ehybrid with 272 horsepower and DSG transmission. This sleek estate/Jeep comes in a stylish purple exterior with a fuel-efficient 1.5 litre petrol/plug-in hybrid electric engine. Packed with features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking. This car is designed for comfort and safety. With advanced technology like a 360-view camera and self-driving capabilities, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification, you can trust in the quality of this vehicle. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line model. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.